Hi, my name is Rohan Ram Prasad, and I am a BTech CSE student at Universal Skill Tech University. So, as an AWS Captain Cloud, today I would like to explain to you what is an API. API is basically in simple terms. I would like to tell it out. The full form that API stands for Application Programming Interface. What is an API? API is like a kind of a messenger thing. For example, I would like to give that when you go to a restaurant, the restaurant as a you will be the user of it. So as a user, you will go to the restaurant and you will ask the waiter to cook so and so. And when you will cook that so and so to the waiter will take that request to the cook, and that cook will see the request and he will provide basic needs or whatever food required, and that food is given back to the servant. Servant will take that food, whatever you have requested, and it will serve you on the plate. And that's how an API works. API is widely used in different ways, like weather apps, Google Maps. Uh, you all must have seen Google Maps in different apps of applications such as Swiggy, Zomato, and that's how this API thing works. Thank you.